Back to our coverage now of the epic flooding in southeast Texas. Heavy rains and overflowing rivers have turned hundreds of homes into islands. But as Katira Winfrey reports, it's nothing new to folks who live along the West Fork of the San Jacinto River.
There's a lake somewhere in the middle of all this water, and it's pushed people like Kenneth Dugas to higher ground. But he's back, hoping to check on his home.
Been here, I guess, 20 years now or so, and been through a few of these, but it's getting old hat,
Flood experience isn't what you want to hone, but he's done it, and from it, built his Bella Woods home up high.
It was getting a little high yesterday, so we got out of there.
Community members say they move out here for the quiet and to be closer to nature, and they know the risk living this close to the water, but they say 98% of the time, everything's great.
It's that 2% of the time that's coming back to haunt you, a little more too often.
About 10 people live down this water-covered road. Many are perched up high, and while most did evacuate, others stayed. But as the water rises, so does the concern.
It's scary. Because you don't know if the water's going to come in and just start taking over.
Fernetta Sosa has lived around here for 4 years, so this flood is their first. She did move her car to higher ground early. While marooned on their island, they wanted to check the roads. Neighbors quickly advised against walking or swimming. Instead, they took the pontoon, sharing these new temporary waterways with the professionals.
I told them thank y'all so much because I never thought I would be cruising in our neighborhood.
The flooding is another one of life's lessons that can come at you fast. But if you have a plan, first responders, friends, and the heart, there is a way forward.
It's hard to overcome, you got a lot facing you, it's a lot of adversity, but just, in time things will get better.
Reporting near the West Fork in Humble, Katira Winfrey, KHOU 11 News.